Hey everyone, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 23 RSR Bennington. Guys, this is a beautiful boat. It's got the metallic sorrel paneling with the blackout package. You'll notice on the bow that it has the docking lights and nav lights. Of course, guys, this is a tri-tune with the SPS Sports Performance package. Let's take a look at the side here. Like I said, metallic sorrel with the blackout package. Full blackout package. Again, it is a RSR 23. Guys, this boat will have the 200 Yamaha show series. Has a curved ladder boarding the boat from the stern. It is the stern radius seating or quad bench seating. Beautiful boat. Drop down armrests throughout. Portable armrest that you can move. Plenty of storage underneath all these seats with side-by-side captain's chairs and a raised helm. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see it has the Simrad 7-inch, the upgraded stereo, RGB lighting. Again, beautiful boat. Plenty of storage throughout the whole boat. Pillow top upholstery. Nice table here in the bow. Guys, for more information, please visit MarineMax.com or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you and have a great day.